Plateau State is dealing with resurgence of killings, burnings, and displacement occasioned by arms attacks by marauders, allegedly herdsmen, and retaliation by natives. The council chairman of Lantan North, Lavan Ubandoma, told journalists in Jos that from information available to him, a pending massacre is imminent on the people of villages in two local government areas of Lantan North and South, both located in Southern Senatorial District of the state.
Our people are not having it easy. We're having sleepless night. Now we are calling on the security agency to please step up their game and come to the rescue of the people. We are armless civilians. We've submitted our weapons. We are calling on the military to join hands with us, the Tarok Nation, to help chase those terrorists, because I cannot call them bandits, I cannot call them haters, but all I know, they are terrorists.
The council chairman further stated that security agents have also confirmed the report while calling for protection of communities who, according to him, cannot defend themselves.
I tried to get in touch with the police commissioner, which I did. I called him and he confirmed to me that yes, he has been reported as well. They've told him what is going on.
The alarm was confirmed by the spokesman of the Plateau State Police Command, ASP Gabriel Luba, who told AIT on phone that Commissioner of Police Edward Ebuka had ordered a deployment of police officers to the areas, while a military outfit set up to ensure peace in Plateau State Operation Safe Haven is yet to make any official comment on the issue. The situation, however, leaves much to be desired, with fear and clouds of uncertainty, as the people hope that government will guarantee their safety from attackers.